The secret to success. Why consistency beats talent. Success is often perceived as a result of innate talent or extraordinary bursts of genius. From athletes to artists, and from entrepreneurs to scientists, we hear stories of people achieving remarkable feats seemingly because they were born with a natural gift. While talent can certainly give individuals a head start, research and real-world experience tell us a different story. Success is more often the result of consistent, small actions than isolated moments of brilliance. In this article, we will explore why consistency trumps talent, the science behind habit formation, and how anyone, regardless of natural ability, can succeed by focusing on persistence and dedication. 1. Defining success, talent versus consistency. Before diving into the debate of consistency versus talent, it's essential to define what we mean by success. Success is a highly subjective concept, but for the sake of this discussion, we can define it as the achievement of goals, mastery of a skill, or attaining personal fulfillment through hard work and dedication. While talent refers to inherent abilities or natural aptitude in a specific area, consistency is the regular and continuous application of effort over time. Talented individuals may have a head start, but it is the consistent practice, learning, and evolving that leads to long-term success. Consider some of the greatest figures in history: Albert Einstein, Michael Jordan, and Thomas Edison. Each of them faced numerous setbacks and failures, but their dedication to their craft over time was what ultimately led to their legendary status. In contrast, individuals who rely solely on talent may see initial success but can quickly plateau if they don't put in the effort to develop and maintain their skills. 2. The power of consistency. How small habits lead to big results. To truly understand why consistency trumps talent, we must examine the science behind habit formation. One of the most influential books on this topic is Charles Duhigg's The Power of Habit. Duhigg explains that habits are formed through a loop, cue, routine, and reward. When this loop is repeated consistently, it becomes ingrained in our neural pathways, making it automatic and effortless over time. This process is crucial when it comes to success. While a talented individual may have a natural ability to perform a task, it is the person who practices consistently, day after day, week after week, who improves faster and achieves mastery. This consistency allows for incremental progress, and over time, small improvements accumulate to produce outstanding results. The key is that habits compound, they build upon each other and grow exponentially. In contrast, talent alone does not offer the same cumulative advantage. Without consistent effort, natural talent may stagnate or even be overshadowed by someone with less raw ability but greater dedication. 3. The compound effect. Consistency builds over time. Another concept that supports the argument that consistency beats talent is the compound effect, popularized by Darren Hardy in his book The Compound Effect. The idea is simple: small, consistent actions performed over time can lead to significant results. Just like the interest earned on a savings account grows exponentially, the effort we put into our personal and professional lives compounds in ways that can lead to massive success. Let's say you commit to reading just 10 pages of a book every day. That might not seem like much, but after a year, you will have read over 3,600 pages, or roughly 12 books. Now imagine applying that same principle to other areas of your life: learning a new language, improving your fitness, or honing a musical instrument. By committing to consistent, daily progress, you will see remarkable growth over time, even if you started out with little to no talent in these areas. In contrast, someone who only practices sporadically or relies on talent may not see the same cumulative effect. Even with an initial advantage, they are likely to plateau if they don't maintain consistent effort. Consistency, therefore, is the secret to long-term growth. while talent may only offer short-term bursts of success. 4. Consistency builds resilience. Overcoming setbacks and failures. One of the key benefits of consistency is its ability to build resilience. No one achieves success without encountering setbacks, failures, and obstacles along the way. Talented individuals may experience discouragement or burnout when their progress slows or they face criticism, while those who focus on consistent improvement are more likely to persist in the face of adversity. The process of consistently showing up, even when things aren't going well, builds mental toughness. It teaches you to embrace failure as a learning opportunity rather than a reason to give up. Resilience is a critical component of success, and consistency is the practice that strengthens this resilience over time. When talent is the main driving force, setbacks can be more difficult to overcome because they threaten the individual's sense of identity. If someone identifies primarily as talented, failure can feel like a personal blow, leading to self-doubt. However, if success is rooted in the habit of consistent practice and growth, failures are viewed as temporary hurdles rather than insurmountable obstacles. 5. The role of mindset. Growth versus fixed mindset. The concept of mindset, popularized by psychologist Carol Dweck in her book Mindset, The New Psychology of Success, also plays a significant role in understanding why consistency is crucial for success. Dweck distinguishes between two types of mindsets, a fixed mindset and a growth mindset. People with a fixed mindset believe that talent and intelligence are innate and unchangeable. They may avoid challenges, give up easily, and see failure as a reflection of their inability. On the other hand, individuals with a growth mindset believe that abilities and intelligence can be developed through hard work, perseverance, and dedication. They embrace challenges, learn from criticism, and understand that setbacks are an inevitable part of the learning process. Consistency is closely linked to a growth mindset. When you approach life with a belief that your efforts will lead to improvement, you are more likely to show up consistently, even when progress seems slow. In contrast, individuals who rely on their innate talent may struggle to maintain their motivation when challenges arise because they haven't developed the habit of persistence. 6. Real-world examples. The role of consistency in achieving success. Numerous real-world examples illustrate how consistency leads to success. Consider the story of Thomas Edison, one of the most famous inventors in history. Edison was not the most talented scientist, but he was relentless in his pursuit of innovation. It's said that he failed over 1,000 times before inventing the light bulb. Instead of giving up, he treated each failure as an opportunity to learn and improve, embodying the power of consistency in the face of adversity. Similarly, Michael Jordan, widely regarded as one of the greatest basketball players of all time, was cut from his high school basketball team. Rather than letting the setback define him, Jordan worked tirelessly to improve his skills, demonstrating that consistency in practice was a critical factor in his eventual success. These examples show that success does not come from relying solely on talent or waiting for a breakthrough moment. Instead, it comes from consistent effort, learning from failure, and never giving up on the pursuit of growth. 7. How anyone can achieve success through consistency. The good news is that consistency is something anyone can develop, regardless of their natural talent or abilities. Success is not reserved for a select few individuals with extraordinary gifts. By focusing on small, daily actions and committing to the process rather than the outcome, anyone can improve their skills, achieve their goals, and ultimately succeed. Here are a few strategies to develop consistency. Set clear goals, understand what you want to achieve and break your goals down into actionable steps. This helps you stay focused and measure progress over time. Start small, don't try to change everything at once. Begin with small habits that you can realistically maintain. Track progress, keep a journal or use an app to track your daily habits. This will help you stay accountable and see how your small efforts add up over time. Embrace failure. Understand that failure is a natural part of growth. Use setbacks as opportunities to learn and adjust your approach. 8. Conclusion. Why consistency wins in the end. Success is not determined by talent alone. It's the individuals who show up every day, put in the work, and persist through challenges who ultimately achieve greatness. Consistency is the real secret to success because it builds habits, resilience, and momentum over time. While talent may give you a head start, it is the consistent effort that will carry you to the finish line. By adopting a mindset of growth, developing strong habits, and staying committed to the process, anyone can unlock their potential and achieve their goals, no matter where they start.